Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today in this lecture, we are going to solve several numerical examples based on fluid velocity and acceleration. So this is really important topic as far as fluid kinematics is concerned, and understanding of this topic is really essential. So those of you who have not yet gone through my previous lecture where I have explained you what is velocity and what is acceleration and how is acceleration dependent on different velocity components. Please go through that lecture first and then come back over here. Okay. So today in this lecture we are going to solve several numericals on this topic. Let us start with the first numerical. So let's say if I just give you the brief of what is velocity acceleration, I said that if I have a fluid flowing through the circular pipe, let's say, and if I just denote this particular pipe through some reference frame, and if I have a particular point in the pipe which is referred by a position called x, y and z. So in this case velocity is referred as, velocity v is referred as ui plus vj plus wk, okay, where u, v, w are the components of x, y, z and t. So I can say that u, v and w, all of these three are variables of x, y, z, that is space coordinate as well as time, okay. And if I talk about acceleration, so this is vector quantity velocity. Acceleration has three components again, axi plus ayj and plus azk. And we have seen that all of these three components have a long equations to remember, but I have given a shortcut how to just denote the equation. You see, shortcut is over here, ax, ay and az. If you see, each one of them has several elements, right? Four terms, each of